Some Mercedes Sprinter-based Hymer motorhome models now have a switch on the dashboard for emptying the wastewater tank. This switch makes it much easier to empty the tank as everything is done from inside the cab and you do not have to get your hands dirty pulling an outside lever. To empty the water from the grey tank, just press the switch. In order to completely empty the tank, it is advisable to stand the motorhome as level as possible or in the direction of the drain. If the vehicle is inclined in the other direction, water will remain in the tank. Press the button to close the valve again. The water should only be released at proper locations such as the disposal stations found at campsites. To reduce the weight, it is advisable to empty the tank before each journey. You can check the amount of water in the tank on the control panel.